everyone. I'm 5 months pregnant and also finding ways to still keep myself healthy by doing several movements. Prenatal yoga has been working for me very well. And so whether or not you're on the way, this is still something good for you. So we are doing cat-cow. So you can begin by sitting down comfortably, grounding yourself first by taking a few breaths in and out, inhaling deeply and exhaling completely, finding yourself in the present moment, fully relaxed, light, and comfortable. Finding your center. And when you're ready, you can slowly walk your hands forward into a tabletop with a neutral spine, adjusting yourself, finding the right balance, maybe stretching forward a little bit, stretching out back, and then when you're ready, you can tuck your toes in for a better grip. And from here, coming into cow, inhaling, bringing the belly down, and then exhaling, coming into cat. And then again, bringing the belly down, inhaling, exhaling, arching the back upwards to the sky, and continuing the position, alternating between cat and cow, bringing the spine down, inhaling, looking forward, exhaling, pushing the spine upward, allowing the head and the neck to drop, and just continuing that movement, going at your own pace. And so, if you notice, my cat-cow is not as deep as it would be prior to my pregnancy, but we all have our own body types and our own journeys, so just respect yourself wherever you are at this moment. And then when you are ready, you can just slowly walk your hands back down, coming into a seated position, untucking the toes, relaxing, stretching out, bringing the hands back into Anjali Mudra, into prayer pose. Further relaxing and releasing. And keep yourself safe and healthy. Take care.